Ito ang latest chismis, mga mosang. Inamin ni Bel Mariano na marami raw kumu-question sa pagmamahal niya sa kanyang ka-love team na si Donnie Pangilinan. Pero ito raw ang naging sagot niya. Yes, ang daming kumu-question, pero hindi nila nakikita si Donnie the way I do. They say I'm blinded by love, that I'm foolish. They tell me I shouldn't chase him, that I deserve better. Pero hindi nila nakikita ko the way she saved me a million times, kung paano ako paangitiin ni Donnie Pangilinan sa tingin lang. They question my love for him, saying it's too much. Pero pa sa akin hindi pa din ito sapat kung paano gumagaan yung mundo ko kapag kasama ko siya. Sabi pa nila, they tell me to wake up, na mag-focus ako sa sarili ko at humanap ng iba. But they don't know that the day I met you, I pray to God, I've never have to search again. Hindi nila alam kung paano mo ako niligtas sa pagiging mahina. They don't know how you made me feel, and that's okay. They don't have to, dahil alam ko ang halaga ni Donnie, and I don't care what they say because I love him and I keep on loving him until the end of a million lifetime.